people! I am here today with
hi, I'm Adam. I'm
You've
her
probably
brother.
seen him in my vlogs. So we created this lovely makeup look, and Adam picked out all my makeup and told me how to apply it and what order to apply it. So if you want to see how this beautiful look got created, just keep watching. So I'm getting all my makeup here, and I'm gonna take it into my bedroom. Then I'll like lay out some sticky notes so he can pick like how many he's supposed to pick from each pile, and then we'll see what he chooses for.
Basically, I have to like choose some makeup. Now, I don't really know what half this stuff is. Dude, because I know what like a beauty blender is, and so I figured it would be like really funny if I didn't pick a beauty blender and then she didn't have a beauty blender. But I'm not gonna do. Okay, so okay, wait, what is this? This is like what? It's candy love. I love me some candy. Okay. Wait, oh, is this part of this too? I think it is. Oh, so there's three things. Okay, what is this? What is this? It's a thing. It's primer as well. That sounds really important. Let's go with this one because it looks disgusting. My pack. Bye bye under eye. What is this? I feel like you like spend like $50 on this crayon, and I could buy like a box, the big like box of crayons for like $20. Is this a crayon too? It is. Is this also a crayon? We're not gonna choose the crayons. This isn't a crayon, so we're gonna choose it. Uh-oh, is this part of this? What? What the? Is this a spray? Is that a pipe cleaner? It is a pipe cleaner. Okay, we're gonna take the pipe cleaner. They're real. Are they real though? If you have to like apply a thing?
You get distracted?
Nope. There's just a lot of choices.
Okay.
What is this? Scandalize. Aha, because it's like scandalous, but it's with your eyes. Reloaded. Is it like the Matrix? We're taking that. And we're gonna get this tiny one, because less is more. Ah, my back. Okay, that's it. I think we're good now. Basically, I have to like choose some makeup. Now, I don't really know what half this stuff is.
Should we do this where like you like hand me the things in order?
In the order of, that I think you should put them on?
Yeah.
Well, no, because I think the thing you have to put on first is like at the bottom. But we can do that, I guess.
Well, no, just you can take it all out and then just hand me
sure,
the stuff.
sure. You a matching set of brushes.
Aw,
That was
you're
the goal.
so aesthetically pleasing.
First thing, is this this is the important one.
Okay.
So this is
Read it.
it's the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer.
Okay.
For your photo finish, for when you run your race wearing makeup. It's weird though, because it's like a finish primer.
Okay.
So I don't know if it goes on first or last.
Oh,
okay.
How should I apply this?
Like a gel?
You just twist it. Yeah.
Whoa. Ugh. Looks like moldy, like green tea. I think you're just gonna like put it on your face and like.
Dab it with this, using this.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I would assume.
On.
Yes. Okay. So I think now you take your beauty blender. I wasn't gonna give you the beauty blender, but then I realized that I had to tell you how to put it on.
Thanks.
So I think you just use that and you like.
Okay.
Or you like rub it maybe, or maybe you like just use your hands.
Which one do you want me to do?
I really don't want to like ruin that.
It's not.
I guess you can wash it. Okay, so you just like.
Should I wet this?
Yeah, but I didn't bring water.
Well, I'll go wet it.
Okay, this is going great. Wait.
Disclaimer, I'm not a makeup professional. This
Okay,
is
wait,
gonna be
wait,
a
wait,
mess.
wait, 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 wait.
Okay, primer complete.
Right,
That was
honestly,
interesting. I've never done it that way before.
Okay, what is this?
Alright.
Beauty amplifier
Where's it from?
from Sephora.
Okay.
And you're gonna take this.
Okay.
And you're gonna open that up. And you're gonna like, yeah. Oh.
And
Okay,
then
maybe that was wrong. And then you're gonna like, I think that just like goes like everywhere to like even out your skin tone. Okay.
Whoa.
I feel like the eyes are like last, but
I'm gonna steal everyone from my channel, and they're gonna be like, "End your channel. We only want to see Adam."
No, they don't. They want. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh,
I'm sad that you picked this one.
you're gonna take this.
Okay.
Oh, this is a. By the way, this is an Elf brush palette
No.
for a buddy.
Blush palette.
Did I say brush palette?
Yeah. For a buddy.
For buddy. Okay.
These are brushes are from Sephora.
And you're gonna take this. Yeah.
This.
This darker
This
one.
shade. Am
This
I in
this
the
red
camera? I
one.
can't
Yeah,
see.
you are.
And then,
Put it on your cheeks.
okay,
Like here.
like all over.
No,
them.
like
like
here.
all my cheekbones.
Like on your cheekbones.
Oh my god. Oh, no.
Did I do this one?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna take this one.
Okay.
And you're gonna go underneath in a line underneath that
Oh.
one.
Did you know you came to my channel for a clown makeup tutorial today? This one?
Yeah, that one. And you're gonna go right here.
Oh. Okay.
I don't actually know. See, the thing is, I don't know what I'm doing, so I can't purposely make you look bad.
Since we put the setting powder on before everything else, this has just got such a great base to blush powder. Thank God I didn't throw this out yet.
Now you're gonna take this, and you're just gonna blend all that together.
Oh, if I wasn't like already the color of a tomato, like normally, this would be good.
The anti-aging serum.
What is it?
It's bye under eye. Full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer. Oh, it's a concealer.
Okay.
You're gonna like put like some on your finger, and you're just gonna like
Okay.
put it under your eye.
Do you want me to blend it in with my fingers too?
Uh,
I'm in
we'll
the
see how it
shade
looks without you blending it in.
Light. Do you want me to blend it
Yeah,
in now?
okay, yeah.
Okay,
Use the
with this?
thing, yeah.
Okay.
So more Elf. This is just pink Elf. Ugh. I think you're gonna... You're gonna take Hotline and you're... It smells good.
Yeah.
You're gonna Hotline and you're gonna go under your eye.
Okay, like where we put the concealer or just like right under the lash line?
Like where you like put the disappear.
Oh, okay.
Because you got rid of...
Okay, here we go. It's not too late to change your mind.
Oh, you look like you have two black eyes, but that's fine. That's fine. Top of your like here on your eyelid.
In the crease?
Like yeah. Like
Okay.
Here.
With what? Brush.
Like just on your eyelid. Like just
Okay.
with
Or with my finger or
the same one. We'll do the same one. I'm
We're
getting from
taking
all of the females in the room.
this
I'm doing this wrong.
dust. Okay, all over.
Yeah, just like
Good? More?
no, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, then you're gonna take this thing and you're gonna like on the corners so that like it like kind of like the top part and the bottom part kind of like blend together. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a Photoshop technique, and you're gonna like drag down under your eye on like the dark stuff so that it starts to like blend in with your natural face color.
Puts it down.
What is this?
Me, the first time I ever picked that up.
This looks like your stuff for your eyebrows because it says wink it and you wink with your eyebrow. Oh no!
Make a different choice, please.
Okay. Can you put it back then?
This is the Sephora Colorful Wink It Felt Eyeliner.
It's supposed to go on your eyebrows though?
These are my eyebrows.
Your eyelashes though? I meant eyelashes.
Back to the e.l.f. Blush It palette.
Which one do you put on the top? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna like take some more of this and like go like here so that you can like here-ish so that it like touches your eye stuff.
Okay,
like the
with
stuff you
what?
have under your eye. With like I don't want to like get it in your eye, but I don't want to use like one that's like wait, I'll use this. Look worse. I can make it look worse.
We're good. Blend.
From here to here, blend.
Blend.
Like. Now, in some cultures, they say less is more. This is not that culture. What brow? This is your brow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Welcome to grade 2.
Oh, is this a brow
anatomy.
comb? Is this a brow comb?
Yeah.
I know what a brow comb is. Like, comb
Okay.
your brows.
Just
Brow.
this side?
No, both sides.
Oh, okay. But just this side of the thing.
Yes.
Okay.
For now. Take this one, and you're gonna like
Okay.
get some of this on this.
Mm-hmm.
I don't care how. Whether you like throw it up and like catch it on
That's
this.
expensive.
Okay, don't do that. You're gonna face to give you that heavenly glow.
Skin Perfector pressed by Becca. So this
We're
is a
perfecting your-
highlighter.
Well, the real question is, does she wear this all day?
No. That's the answer is right there. No. Okay. Actually, that's a good place.
The highlights on your nose are brighter than my future. The flared end of the beauty blender
Mm-hmm.
and just like
Oh, on my nose?
Yeah.
Okay.
bronzer and gonna go some like here.
Okay.
and
On my
you're gonna
chin.
go Some
On my
here,
forehead.
And
Okay.
you're gonna go some meh and meh.
Next to my nose. Okay.
Yeah. This on your eyelashes.
On like
like
here?
you're
Like a
gonna go
line?
like yeah, you're gonna go like in
okay.
here.
Yeah.
And you're gonna go like meh. Like the bird wings or whatever it's called.
Look like an idiot on international
More than normal. Sorry.
wireless.
So you're gonna. I think this is like a. No. You're gonna like put this on your eyelashes.
What?
Just give it like a spin. Like,
Okay.
Put it on the edge here and do like one
Okay.
spin and drag it across. On your face.
Where? On my
Yes.
lips?
This face.
I've never used this color either, so.
Aww.
Okay, that's okay. We just added a little bit more setting powder, and this is the finished look. Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more content down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!